In this video, I will be showing you how to make a product demo deck with Gamma AI. I'll start by clicking the Create New AI button on my dashboard and selecting the Generate option. I make sure Presentation is selected, and then I'll adjust the slide count to 6 cards to keep the demo concise. Next, I'll enter a clear prompt in the text box. I'm asking the AI to create a professional demo deck for TaskFlow, a B2B SaaS project management tool. Once the prompt is in, I click Generate Outline to see the proposed structure for the slides. Everything looks great, so I'll scroll down to set the text style to concise and pick a clean theme, like Sprout, before hitting Generate. Now, the AI begins building the deck in real time. It's automatically generating a professional title slide, identifying common team challenges, and explaining how TaskFlow solves them. You can see it adding high-quality visuals and detailed feature lists as it works through each point of the outline. Once the generation is complete, I can scroll through the entire presentation to review the flow and the results. If I want to change anything, I can simply click on a card to edit the content directly or use the toolbar on the right to add new images, smart layouts, or even additional cards to truly make it my own. And there you have it. That's the complete process of making a product demo deck with Gamma AI.